yours truly. Alright, so I am back with the episode number 2 where actually I'm just unboxing a little product that I recently got. By the way, my apologies for pretty crappy audio, I'm sure, because I don't know where my microphone is that I normally attach to the camera. So this is just a microphone right on the camera, and let's jump right into it. As always, with any unboxing, we start with a pretty epic looking knife. Alright, so let's give it a little cut. Packaging is very nice. Oh, it is actually smaller than I had imagined. So there is the head unit. Now for reference, I'll hold my Garmin Edge 1000 right next to it so you guys could see the size comparison in terms of both. It's actually smaller than the Garmin Edge 1000, which I actually thought the Karoo 2 would be bigger. So there you go. And if you look at the profile from the front, it is actually also taller, thicker than the Garmin Edge 1000 as well. Alright, so feels pretty chunky, pretty solid. It is heavier than the Garmin Edge 1000. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. We have some kind of mounting instruction and the obligatory multi-language, some kind of information pamphlet thing. Let's see, I'm sure the rest of the packaging is going to consist of charging cables and some kind of a mount adapter, and yes. So what you have, little rubber fittings to fit the openings on the bottom right here so that water can get in. I'm sure that's what that's for. We have out front mount. And then we have the Garmin quad lock adapter. And we have a hex wrench. And we have some kind of a cable thing, box. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so the USB charging cable, let's see if it's USB Type-C, and yes it is, which is a welcome thing to see, and then a strap. So pretty well packaged, pretty good looking unit. So in my next video where I will actually go over the functionalities and usability of the unit itself, I'll kind of give you background info on why I'm divorcing my Garmin Edge and moving over to and testing out this Hammerhead Karoo 2. I did have a little bit of a drama obtaining this unit, so I'll also share my experience with you there as well. Alright, that's it for today. Until next time, you guys all take care and keep riding.